Welcome everyone. Okay, in this very tutorial it is simple. I'll be teaching you how to create an online banking website, a powerful online banking website for students. It could be for project or whatever you wish to use it for. It could be that you have maybe a microfinance bank, or maybe you're creating it for a client. All right, before we get started, I'm sure you must have gotten your domain name and hosting. Because in this tutorial I will not be covering on how to get domain name and hosting, but however, if you wish to learn about how to get domain name and hosting, I will leave a link below this video where you will see all you need to know about to get domain name and hosting. So without wasting much of our time, let's go right to our system. This is my cPanel. I'm going straight to my cPanel. Right, so I will be creating, I will be using a folder. This when you buy a new domain name and a new hosting, please let me make one thing clear. When you buy a new domain name and a new hosting, you see a lot of things like this. This is a background of a domain name and a hosting. This is a background of a cPanel. Alright, I will be telling you about how to purchase a domain name and cPanel. You will see it on the description of this video. Now, when you buy a domain name and a hosting, you will see something like this. All you just need to do is to go to File Manager. You'll be going to File Manager. Alright, so having gotten to File Manager, all you have to do now is listen attentively. If you're buying it, maybe your own or client, your primary domain is always at public_html. There are, I'll be talking about that. We will be seeing them in the tutorial concerning domain name and hosting. Depending on the kind of host you have, you can have more than one website, 2 websites, 3 websites, all hosted in one place. It depends on how large your hosting is. So, but for this one, I have more than one website, so I will be using this for the tutorial. So therefore, what we have to do is we'll upload the file. We'll click here, upload. To upload the file, you select the file. All right, I will be giving you access to this file on request, so do not worry about that. Okay, so this is the website. If you need it, you just call me, email me, chat me up via WhatsApp. My phone number is right there, and I'll be giving you access to this very powerful website. This is it. You upload it now. Okay, while uploading it, let me quickly use this opportunity to create a simple mail. Right, let me create mail. And when you've gotten your hosting and domain name, first thing you have to do is create a mail, because you'll be needing this mail for messages. There are automated messages associated to this banking very website, so therefore you'll be needing it to do all of that. So I'll be creating, let me call this domain name, let me call it, I uploaded it here. Okay, let me call this domain name, let me call it support at shopclass.com. The domain name I'm using to create this is shopclass.com. Let me also call this, okay, all right, so that is it. Then you create immediately. Create. All right. We've created our mail. We're coming back to it. Let's continue with this. This file has completed. We'll just click on complete. We'll click on complete. Then look at it. We'll be extracting, or you are extracting it directly to this folder, mind you. So you let it extract. Having been extracted, you close the page. This is the file. Now look at the file very well, very smooth, and our website is now ready. So the next thing you have to do is, if we visit now, you see the website is ready. let's just look at this mail. We created support at shopclass.com. okay, let's check mail from here. You can check this mail through www.webmail.com, sorry, your website /webmail.com. so we'll just open the mail that we'll be using, and we proceed quickly to it. So this is this. So the next thing I want to also create now is the files, the MySQL file. You click on MySQL database, the database file. okay, let's call it bankdb. Also call it here bankdb. all right, the bank, let's just add, all right, let's just say something like this is okay. all right, okay, don't save. bankdb, all right, db, let's just say one. all right, successful. So just follow this step, you will get all that. Please make sure you copy and keep this two information safe. For me, I just get to copy it because both of them are the same. I'll be using them shortly on a file. You click on all privileges, next. So our database is ready, so return. Then you go back to phpMyAdmin, click on phpMyAdmin to upload the files. phpMyAdmin is loading. This is the bankdb we created. bankdb, look at it, bankdb. So we'll import the database file. Don't worry about this file, you will get it on request. We're getting it on request, so if you request for it, we'll just give it to you. all right, this is the file. Look at the name, you get this file on request. So just click on go. We click on go, so it's proceeding. Our database file is ready. So again, what you need to do to properly configure this thing is just go here, come to this account. If you go to account, come back here, look at this and click on script, then go here from script, right click and edit this file, edit it, and then okay, come here, the username, clean. This is the our DB I copied, so you should not be surprised. I copied it just few minutes back. I paste it. Okay, this is our password. Please use what you can remember. I use bank at db1. okay, use what you can remember, or you copy. Sometime you can decide to generate. Okay, hope that makes sense. You just save, and our site is ready. In less than 10 minutes. This is something you can do and take at least to 300,000 naira in less than 10-15 minutes. Okay, so far so good. Let's check our site. Let's check shopclass, shopclass.lyc. oh wow, fantabulous, sweet. Our website is ready. Wow, an online banking website. Look at it, so sweet. So sweet. You can change all of this, you can edit all of the color and everything to your desire. And again, the sweet thing about this script is you can change, you can use a different script and adjust at the back end. You heard me right? So that's just all you need to do. So the next thing is if we log in now, it is telling us the incorrect database name. Let's check our connect. Incorrect database name. Sorry, there's a space here. Please remember not to add any space. Remember not to add any space. It's an error on my part. It will go now. Move. Fine. So from here, if you want to create an account, but then let's just set the site. Let's set the site. So for you to set the site and configure everything to work, all you have to do is simple. You click here, look at it, /account, just type admin, enter. This is the admin section. Right? This is our password. Please, this is what you should write in here: admin@admin.com. Please, that's the default. Yeah, the password is simple. Once you pay, I'll give you access to all those information. It is yours already. Okay, don't save, not necessary to save. So now listen, very important area as well right now. So when you come to this area, what you do is, first thing, go to settings, general settings. Go to general settings. When you come to general settings, look at this. You will be changing this to your desired website. Look at the website. Allow the account where it is. Only put your website name. Let's put what's the website name? shopclass.xyz. That's our website name, and maybe we'll call here shopclass banking script. Right, let's leave it. Please, this is the site name, the short form. The website is automated XCB. Okay, support at your website name, shopclass. I created this support as shopclass.xyz. Alright, you can decide to change your phone number, your base country. Just fill them very well. Just fill all this information. These are for court. Court is a particular code that you just change. You can read and edit them, then update changes. Just read and edit them. It's quite easy to go by. Very sweet script. Alright, so then the next thing is come here. You come here and set another powerful thing. You configure your SMS and email system. To configure your SMS and email system, come here. Please, all you need to do is request depending on your hosting. Hear me, so you don't come asking me too much question on using this script. Depending on, ask them for their SMTP host address. They will give it to you, but my hosting uses mail dot, let me call it shopclass dot my website. That's my, So the username, well, my username, let me use it support at shopclass.syz. Then what did I use in creating this? Please use the same password. That was why I was insisting to create that mail. What was the website? I think I used this shop at class. I think that was it. If it is not it, it will bounce it back. The name to be displayed is shop class banking, right? If it doesn't work, it will reject it. If anything doesn't work here, it will not update. Right, it update because it work. If you doubt me, let me just remove something from this class so you know. Let's just assume that, or I touch anything about this mail system. Let's assume my password is not correct. You see, it will not work. Okay, are you seeing it? Even if this one is wrong, it will not work. It will not. So it is functional because they are all already working, and I will get mail, my hosting look at it to tell me that what I added went successful. So that is how powerful this script is. So therefore, another thing you might consider doing is to change this favicon, your website logo. Just click here, the logo of your website. You might decide to change it. Let me just select which logo. I might not even select. Click here to change your logo. Footer logo, the logo you want to be appearing at the footer of your website, click here to appear. Then email logo, when you send email, which kind of logo, you click here, add your email logo. Favicon is this small icon here. You click here to change and update. That is what you do. Once you are done, you are good to go. So just do and update them. Everything is fine. Is there any other thing you need to consider? Fund user account transaction. Okay, the script is such a powerful one, and then as time goes on we shall exploit the other. Okay, let's go and try a registration. Let's just say shopclass.syz for tutorial, and then this is it. Okay, let's sign up. I want us to register a mail. Okay, I'm registering an account 794752. right, very powerful. This will make it impossible for robot to fill unnecessary registration. I'll create an account. Wow, look at what you get first before you can edit all this right in your dashboard. You don't need to be a programmer to do all of this. Okay, then you just put your first name. Let me assume my first name is Kings. Okay, my middle name is Henry, and let's assume the last name is okay, let's assume no last name. Let's just assume a country, Australia. State, let's say Nang. City, Australia. Alright, zip code, let's just add a code. Date of birth, let's assume this. Okay, you can see how powerful this script is. You can see how powerful it is. You just go here and 19, let's just use something like this, anything. Okay, let's just call it anything. House address, let's call Australia. Right, phone number plus 2, let's just add a number. All right, employment status. Okay, put your salary, wage, and fill up all this. Make sure you add something to this, otherwise it doesn't work, depending on the country you want to work with. Okay, account. Okay, let's say checking account. The currency you want to use, just name them. Look at how sweet this script is. Your pin, let me just say 1 2 3 4. Password, let me just say okay. All right, sorry, password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I'm just assuming this password I don't think is correct. What is remaining? Please, where should I have not filled my email? Please, there will be an email verification. Let me just fill so you see things yourself. Right, so the password, I don't think they are equal. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, submit. Last name is okay. Last name is supposed to be King. It's supposed to be as important as any. You can add your photograph. Okay, select a photograph. Just select an image. You can just select an image. Which image? Let me just select. Right, submit. Need listing an email. You are successfully registered account and email. Now that account has been registered, if admin do not approve it, nothing happens. Let me check this email and check if a message is being sent to tell how powerful this script is. Right, gmail.com. Awesome, it's going. So now from the email you see your account number, and you uploaded. If you upload your logo, it will show up here automatically. That is how the script work. It will come out here automatically, even inside your dashboard. Oh, this thing load. All right, let's check it's loading. Let's just be patient a while and we'll perform some transaction. Okay, are you seeing it? Support at, are you seeing it? Email confirmation. This is to confirm. Let's read your logo. If you upload that logo about your email, it wasn't uploaded, that's why I didn't see it here. Look at the name. Hi, King Henry King, thank you so much for allowing listing. This is your account number. You copy this account number, you copy it. Very sharp, simple and sharp. Okay, confirm. All right, your email address is successfully verified. Read. You're back to home. All right, so here let's check. But meanwhile, let me tell you the truth, we can't not log in except admin approves you, which will be going to the admin section to make an approval immediately. Okay, so this is it. We'll paste the account number here. Our password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We just assume it. Save. Are you seeing? Look at it. Shop Class Bank internet banking account is currently inactive. Kindly contact our. So look at the admin section. The admin will come here. You check users. Admin is just going to come here. Look at the user. Look at it. Now to activate, all you just have to do is to click here, approve account, activated. All right, let's go and check if we can log in from here. Log in now and see that you cannot log in. Powerful. Yes, awesome. Are you seeing it? Very powerful dashboard. It greets you if it's in the morning. With this, you should know I'm doing this thing very early in the morning. All right, and the time and everything is there. It takes a track record of all your events. Now look at the dashboard. Look at it. Awesome. So the next thing we have to do is let's see how to fund. Admin can fund. You can even deposit using crypto, using so many things. It all depends on what you want. You can deposit, submit your check, look at them. So but we might not be, even if you deposit, admin will have to approve. So let's do something now. We'll fund. Okay, fund wallet, you just touch on this. You can fund from other part, but when you hover this, you touch on it, you can fund. Let's assume we want to fund with $5,000. Let's assume international transfer. Okay, description, let's say gifting. Let's say gift. Send me. Yes, we want the receiver to receive me that a money has been sent. You say yes. We also check if the email will go. Good. You confirm transaction. You can modify. Sweet. Look at the amount we sent. Sweet. Wow, excellent. This is excellent. All right, we funded it. Let's go and check. Check here. Look at the amount we funded has appeared. Awesome. One good thing about this script, it keep a track record of your activities, your IP address and everything. Look at it when it was funded and every damn thing. Now you can transfer. It will keep a track record. Whoever that visits it, admin will know where the person is visiting from. So you can deposit, you can set your account, whatever you just wish to do. But before I end this video, let's just make a transfer. You can configure your crypto area such that they can deposit using crypto or any means of deposit. Awesome. So what you have to do now, let's just make a transfer. You click on transfer. We're transferring $2,000. Okay, how much are we transferring? Let's just say $3,500. all right, next. You can set your charges and it will work as planned. That's how powerful this script is. Bank name, let's say King's James, King Hand. Just okay. Bank name, the name of your bank, King Hand. Okay, let's say King's Star Bank. Sort code of your account, the account number. Let me assume 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Sort code, let's say, all right, account holder, the name, because an international transfer, the name, let's call it George Ken. All right. Description, why are you sending it? It's optional, but you can also further edit. You confirm. Now it will request for a code. Invalid detail provided. Why invalid detail provided? Okay, let's call it gifting. Alright, invalidities. Why invalidity? Show class online bank transfer. Okay, please make sure this number is just 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, I think it should go now. Invalidity provided. Okay. Right. Moving now. Good. Please just correct it up. The sort code should be at least 5. Otherwise, it tells you invalidity. Continue. Now, listen. Authorization code. Look at it. That message we configured that I was telling you to change this. Go here. This is the tact. Just go. We'll see the code. I think was it in general settings. We'll see all those code. You can edit it. Whichever thing you are claimed to be the code remains the code. Okay, let's check the code. Look at the code. You can change it, update it, whichever one you call it. That stands it. Just paste it. Not only that, they will also send you email to confirm. Okay, let's check our email. Let's check our inbox. You see messages. Okay, all right, let's check this let's check valid insurance code. It verifies and it continues. Anything that makes this code invalid, the transfer will not go. It will bounce back. All right. Okay. Okay, please, they said please enter an OTP send to your phone number. Now let's check our email. There should be an email sent to us. Look at it. Look at the credit alert. Look at the email. Is it? Where is this thing I'm seeing now? Alright, look at it. If you don't get this OTP, transaction will not go. You can't put a wrong OTP and it goes. That is the banking script I'm giving to you, and it's counting because the OTP has an expiring time. Look at the credit alert. The credit alert, the one admin credited. All your activities, depending on your hosting, you can change all this, and you change your date and time. Also, transaction successful. You've started to transfer. Now look at it, and you get a debit alert back to home. So there, guys, I wouldn't want to extend this video longer. If you need this script, you make all your changes, I will give you access to this script for just 55,000 naira. Chat me up. The price could be slightly negotiated if you care to get it. I love you. Waiting to see you next. Whatever you ask, if you have any question for the front end, you can change it. You can change the logo. If you want to change the logo of the front end, it's simple, depending on what you want to change. It's so simple. You can back on me. I am always your trust law blog at all time. I remain George Emmanuel. You can also buy an airtime or data from us. We sell airtime and data at a very cheap rate. I have a VTU website. If you care to buy airtime and data at a cheaper rate, you can visit this is my website, gigabytes.com. Right, you can buy cheaper data and airtime here. All you just have to do is to register, contact me. I'm always available. I love you. See you in my next class. The price is simple. Contact me. My email is right there in the description. My phone number is right there in the description. So contact me for your order. The script is valid. You can use it. Charge a client between 200k to 500k. It all depends on negotiation. Okay? Well done.